Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to create do you want to continue, Y or N, or yes or no using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. I will put a video description, the link for the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. Okay, so basically I'm using div C++ in writing this program. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output in every C++ program using namespace and main begin, and then I have here four variables: integer, variable a, b, and sum. So this variable a and b will accept two input values from the user. The sum will act as assignment statement, will perform addition. And then we have here car response, small letter y, and then using do while statement we declare do begin, asking the user to give two numbers, computing for the sum of a and b, variable a and b, that will be stored the value in sum. And then we have here the display of the output a and b is sum. Do you want to continue, y or n, capital or small? It will go back to the program, and then it will process again, and then if no, return 0, return to our operating system, and then we close the main function of our program in C++. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description guys so that you can download the complete source code of this tutorial video for free in my two websites. Let us compile and run to see the result. Give two numbers. Let's say we have 4 and 5. The sum of 4 and 5 is 9. Do you want to continue? Yes. It can be capital or small letter y. It can be accept. Let's say we have 12 and 4. Do you want to continue? Yes. So the sum of 12 and 4 is 16. The first one, the sum of 5 and 4 and 5 is 9. Let's say 100 and 200. The sum of 100 and 200 is 300. Do you want to continue? And it will terminate our program. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on do you want to continue using do while loop statement in C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed in this tutorial video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.